Can comedy and nature create unexpected hilarity? During a serene waterfall picnic, comedians unexpectedly turn the soothing sound of cascading waters into a surreal comedy show. As sandwiches become soaked and impromptu water slides form, comedians deftly incorporate these mishaps into their sketches. Nature's spontaneity inspires a delightful sequence involving an oversized picnic cloth, blending physical comedy with the charm of natural surroundings. The event crescendos to a surprising finish when a grand finale of synchronized splash comedy leaves the audience in stitches, embracing the absurdity of blending humor and nature.